Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. This is my morning analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the pound dollar, we definitely are making like that double top look that you see often at the end of a trend. We also have at least more than a five-wave structure to the upside. So, if we do get a significant break of structure to the downside, then the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on here. If it really is a wave five, then if we get this break of structure, it could be a complete trend reversal, making a very impulsive move down, taking out the low wave four. If it's really not a wave five, then it might just end up making a crescent to the last five waves up, like something like this, maybe down to like the 38 or anywhere between the 38 and the 78% Fibonacci retracement before it just continues the uptrend. But all of this relies on whether or not it breaks and holds below structure. If it doesn't break and hold below structure, then it is still an uptrend. It could literally just go down to structure, reject structure, and just keep on going up. All the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend, so we have to keep in mind that no matter what we think is going to happen on these shorter time frames, that all the higher time frames are in a very, very strong uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.